Alright, we will be going to discuss the first factor, which is the declining power of the nation state. It has been said that if the state becomes highly contingent or influx, then there will be a possibility of some global governance in order to fill out those voids. But of course, we have evidence behind the declining power of the nation states. So we have four different pieces of evidence. Number one, national government increasingly faces problems that are too big for them to handle. So, what are those global problems? So, it would be international terrorism, drugs, environmental problems, and of course, global pandemic that has become a threat to humankind, and that would be the recent problem, which is the COVID-19. Number two, United Nations and the Universal Declarations of Human Rights. It has been said that because of this, it actually limits the power of a certain state to restrict the freedom of individuals. If you are aware of the genocide and its meaning, that would be the killing of the particular group or race of people. Number three, global social movements of the Green Movement. This would include those multinational or transnational corporations, and it would also include those largest banks that tend to overpower the authority of a state to a particular country. Now we also have the fourth evidence, limited power of the nation state. That could actually create change and it becomes very limited. A good example of this would be the recent war in Iraq. If you're aware of it, even though the United Nations would not back up this powerful nation, still they would continue to initiate the war.